Types of SQL database. There are different types of databases you can use to store your data, and it's essential to know the differences between them. MySQL Server is an open-source relational database management system. NoSQL data is a general term for the many types of non-relational databases that exist. The Oracle Database Documentation Library contains information about using Oracle databases, installation instructions, and reference material. The master database is where all user accounts and settings are stored. A multi-model database supports many forms of data storage structures within a platform: relational, database languages, text or graph databases for text search. Interval data types represent time and data that can change over time, such as stock prices or election results. The database name is a small integer type used when values need to be stored only up to 2 decimal places. Types of SQL databases. 1. MySQL. MySQL is the most popular database in the world DBMS and is used by millions of companies worldwide. It is a free and open source database management system DBMS available to anyone who wants to use it. MySQL is well suited for small and medium-sized businesses that need a low-cost database solution. MySQL is an open source relational database management system for organizing and storing data. 2. PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is an object relational database management system, or VMS, that supports almost all SQL constructs and has a rich, powerful set of built-in capabilities for handling data for both development and production. PostgreSQL is open source that it lives. It's even possible to run it as a server on your own hardware. SQLite. SQLite is a self-contained, serverless, zero-configuration, transactional SQL database engine. It's called self-contained because it doesn't require a separate server process or system to operate. This makes SQLite very easy to set up and maintain. SQLite is also zero-configuration, meaning that no setup is required for your computer when the SQLite library installs. Just drop the library into your project, and you're good to go. MongoDB. MongoDB is a powerful open source document storage platform for modern web applications. It was developed in 2009. MongoDB is best suited for scaling web applications that must be high performance or scalability across a large number of nodes. MongoDB is a database that offers high performance, high availability, and automatic scaling. MongoDB is a type of database that uses documents to store information. This means that each database can have many collections of documents. The documents are BSON, binary JSON, data. Key value pairs in a document can be accessed using dot notation. 5. SQL Server. SQL Server is one of the most popular DBMS in the world and has been used by countless companies since it is introduced in 1988. Relational databases, NoSQL databases and semi-structured data stores. Database systems can shop structured data and unstructured data. Structured data is organized in tables whose columns of information are linked by standard keys or identifiers. Unstructured data has no organized columns or rows and cannot be quickly sorted or queried with standard queries. These unstructured data types require special software that searches for specific keywords in the files and then returns the results with standard queries. Subscribe to our Types.lol YouTube channel to get video updates.